Okay, so this came in the mail, so it's still in the mail packaging. I just cut it open to just like kind of peek and then I stopped. So this is going to be a true unboxing. Well, I cut it, but whatever. I just wanted to make sure it was in there. So here we go. Lovely box. Order information. I bought this on the Jeffree Star cosmetic line when it first launched. I forgot the date, but it usually launches at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and I was there refreshing and I was able to snatch one up when it was still available. You cannot find it. He has been sold out. He currently is not restocked. He is still shipping some items. I know a couple friends who haven't gotten theirs yet. They are like bummed as hell, and I would be too. I've been super excited about this, but you are seeing it for sale on eBay and stuff for nearly double the price. So let's continue with the unboxing. Comes in the Jeffree Star packaging. Now the logo did change for this item. He added a halo top to the top of the J's, which is super cute. Alright, so let's get rid of this box, but this is basically the wrapping paper. You can see those halos are on there. Yeah. The Cremated Palette. So the wrapping paper has urns on it. Now, earlier I said I wasn't fazed by the controversy. My dad, all of our dogs are all cremated. I think death is a part of life, so I don't really see the controversy behind everything right now about that. I can see how it's kind of tone deaf given the climate of coronavirus, but Jeffree Star has been working on this for a long time. I remember seeing on his Snapchats when he actually did the photo shoot when it was raining last year, and it's something that has been in the works. And I thought it was quite funny that it's like a black and white palette and all of his sneak peeks were in black and white. He's basically telling us, hey, I'm coming out with a black and white palette, and we didn't know. Anyway, so it comes in pink bubble wrap. Some ASMR in there. But I love this. Love, love, love this. Cremated. Even the little stick, oh, the sticker's just black. I thought I saw an urn. But this is the wrapping. Now for the palette. The palette. It has a marble effect to it. I know we've seen it everywhere. I'm repeating everything that everyone already knows. But this is a giant, I have big hands and it's like whoosh right there. You can see the creation that Lipstick Nick did. He actually posted a video of her recreating this look and he dipped into the pool. Super funny. But you can see it poking through the outline eyeshadow palette. It has all of the information. You guys can look at his when he dropped this line for all the detailed information on here. It lists the colors, it lists the ingredients, made in the USA, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Follow him, follow us. But basically, let's open this thing up. I don't want to ruin it. I'm that type of person where I buy things and I just like keep them there. I don't use them. I just admire them. We're gonna open her up. Ooh, looking fierce, 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 fierce. Look at that. I don't have anything near this sort of skill when it comes to makeup. I just do like smoky eyes. Not even really smoky eyes. So I'm excited to kind of experiment with the different shades of gray, with the blacks in there, with the different sparkles. There's a few browns. This is the back side, front side, and I like this. So it kind of looks like a book. You can bind it. I know a lot of Jeffree Star cosmetic fans, that's what they do. They usually line it up so it looks like a library of books. Just shh. I aspire to be that dedicated. Alright, here it is. Oh my gosh, this mirror is huge. Here it is. I took the thing off. Here it is. Oh. It's gorgeous. gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It has a giant mirror. I don't really want to show the mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but it's huge. Look at my face. Some more ASMR. Why not? Let's just do it. Yeah. Now it's clinging to everything else. I love this mirror. Oh my god. Oh, this is just beautiful. So in his reveal, he put on here that he decided to do things a lot differently this time around. So all of his lighter shades are along the bottom, and then it gets darker. My inner Virgo perfectionist OCD is super happy. It has this gradient ombre effect to the palette. It has great looks. In the Shane Dawson series, he even put, you know, sometimes when he's creating where the shades go, he can envision sort of some eye looks, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So like you can use, I feel like a lot of these here you could use for your crease. Then we can kind of highlight those areas, put these on the inner corner here. But the names are so fitting, and the stamp is super fitting. There's hearses, urns, let's see what else are there. Then there's the Jeffree Star logo. There's a headstone.
Is there one named Powder?
Powder. There's one called Death Blow. So my mom isn't too familiar with the Jeffree Star line. She loves my lipsticks and stuff. When I come in, she's like, ooh, where's that from? Ooh, where's that from? And I'm like, Jeffree Star. So my mom actually doesn't really know much of this palette besides I told her I got it, and she was astonished that it's being sold for like $150 online. But the names of these are actually really fun. It's called Hearse, Angel of Death, Grave Digger, Death Certificate, R.I.P., Pallbearer, Inheritance, Wednesday, Mortuary Beautician, Last Look, Solemnly Swear, The Morgue, Mausoleum, Embalmed, Eulogy, Life Insurance, Last Respects, Goodbye, Obituary, Burial, Burial? Burial.
Burial.
Burial. Burial. Gown, Afterlife, Casket Ready, Death Blow, and Diamond Ashes, named after his pup that passed away, and he got her cremated, Diamond's Ashes. My dog was cremated, so this would be Gerard Ashes, but he was a dude and he wasn't so sparkly, but that's so cute. This one I feel just along with Jeffree Star about putting something so personal in the palette. I know I would do the damn same thing. But these are the names for it. I love the theme. I love the theme. I think it's great. I appreciate how much time and effort goes into these palettes, goes into his ideas, and he had to sit on it so long because of the coronavirus. But I think if it would have come out when it would be a sensation, and I'm excited to do a look with this. I can't wait. Alright guys, well thank you for watching our unboxing. I'll see if I can play with this and share with you guys. I'm not really a makeup artist, so I'm not going to do a tutorial. But thank you for watching. Did you get one? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to do some more makeup stuff on here on my mom's YouTube page. But